we have to show that angles 1 and 2 are congruent angles. So let's show what we have given here. We have on segment AF and DF one red mark. It means that these two sides are congruent. We can write that AF is congruent to DE. What else? Next, we have that FC is congruent to EB. We have these two marks, red marks. So we have that FC is congruent to EB. What else? Between these two sides we have congruent angles. Angle F and E are congruent. So we can write angle F is congruent to angle E. So we have between these two congruent sides we have congruent angles. So by side angle side congruence postulate, we have that triangle AFC is congruent to triangle DEB. Because these two triangles are congruent, it means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So we can write corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. This is my solution.